Hi, today we're gonna be cooking halibut fish. This is a very nice fish from Alaska. So let me show you the easy way to prepare this fish. So let's do it. See you in the kitchen. So this is the fish. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to grab a couple towels and we're going to dry. Let them dry. Make sure they're all dry. If it's not enough, you can grab more paper towel. Next, we're gonna season with garlic powder, just half a teaspoon. Half teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Next, let's try to marinate it for each side. So I think we are set. The marinade is ready and we're gonna go for the next step. So the next step, I'm going to use to sear this fish with my iron cast skillet. So leave it on the fire for probably about 5 minutes before you put the oil in to be sure the skillet is hot enough. Once the skillet is hot enough, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Kind of make sure olive oil is all around the skillet. Now turn the heat to the medium. Now we are ready to put the fish inside the pan. Just leave it there for 3 to 4 minutes and don't move it. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna flip the fish over. Be careful though. Don't spill on yourself. This is hot oil. Now, I'll set the timer for 3 minutes. And don't move the fish again. After 3 minutes, the fish is all done. It's all brown and nicely. Pick it up and put on the plate. And I'm gonna turn off the stove for now. And cover it up with an aluminum foil. Just keep it warm. And put it aside. Next, we're gonna make a butter lemon sauce for the fish. So I am using we need the salted butter. So I am using the pure Irish salted butter for this. So in a low heat, I'm gonna put about half a cup butter and let it melt. Kind of stir them up a little bit to help out to get the butter melt. Next, I'm gonna use 1 lemon. I'm gonna squeeze it inside the skillet. So I am using the tongue to squeeze the juice out of lemon. and then stir them up for a couple minutes. It will not get thickened, but we're gonna need to stir them up for a couple minutes until it smells like a nutty. Keep stirring. This is lemon and the salted butter. About a couple minutes. I think we are done. And turn off the stove. And I'm gonna transfer the sauce inside the bowl for serving to the top of the fish later. So this is the lemon butter sauce that I'm going to drizzle it over the fish later. For the side, I have Brussels sprout, onion, and squash, and then I drizzle some oil and salt on it. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Once the oven preheated, put the vegetable in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the roasted vegetable out. That looks very healthy. Now I'm ready to plate the dinner. Serve the seared halibut on the plate. Side with the roasted vegetable. Drizzle the lemon butter on the fish. Bon appetit! The simple halibut dinner is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Please hit the subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.